What's going on, guys? It's Mo here with Auto Addict. Hope you guys are having a good day today. I'm super excited to go over the restocking item that a lot of our clients have been waiting for. The Gen 6 Decklid full-on carbon fiber trunk made by Anderson Composites. Let's go ahead and dive into some awesome highlights and go over this amazing trunk that's now available for you guys to purchase on our website. One of my favorite trunks when it comes to simplicity, keep rocking the carbon fiber and keeping your car luxurious. The Decklid carbon fiber trunk is a must-have for all the Gen 6 owner. This trunk will fit from 2016 to 2020 Chevy Camaro, LT, RS, SS, ZL1 and ZL11 LE. All the trims of the Camaros will definitely be a perfect fit on this amazing carbon fiber trunk. The cool thing about it is that gives that Decklid one-piece integrated. So it's not a two-piece where a lot of people just buy the Decklid alone and slap it over the OEM trunk. All this is a nice flush fitment to give your car the luxury appearance that it deserves. Note for install, the biggest thing is for this when we go ahead and install it for our local clients is a third brake light. The trim on this and the mold that was made is a little bit tight fitting for a purpose that Anderson Composites made. One of the reasons is when you put on, take off the third brake light from your OEM trunk and try to put it in here, you gotta shave slightly a little bit around the corners and the edges to make sure it slowly tucks in with a nice firm fitment. As you guys see of our previous YouTube channel video where we actually added the OEM trunk carbon fiber, same exact scenario where our tech guys, we had to shave just around the corner to make sure we push it in nice and firm with nothing being cracked, and that's one of the biggest things when it comes to installing the carbon fiber trunks. The trunks are in stock, ready to go. We have a lot of them for you guys. We sold out on the last batch that we got in our HQ. This is the opportunity and the chance for you guys to purchase this trunk. You want the luxurious look, the sporty, and the carbon fiber look? This trunk offers all these three topics for you guys' build. Easy financing is available for you guys when it comes to purchasing any kind of carbon components with us. So if you guys wish to apply for the application, shoot us an email, a DM on our Instagram page, Auto Addict USA, so we can help you out. Don't miss this out. This is a quick seller, guys. It's an amazing trunk. All the Gen 6 owner wants it. If you guys have any questions, link in the below of the products. You guys can purchase this directly with our website. If you're not local to us, we offer free shipping, and we can't wait to see you guys rocking this amazing trunk. Hope you guys like this video going over the Decklid Anderson Composites carbon fiber trunk. If you guys like this video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit that bell button so you guys are always alerted. Can't wait to show you guys what's next. I'll see you guys soon. Peace.